How to Contact Claude AI Support 2026 Full Guide. In this video, I am going to teach you exactly how to contact Claude AI Support if you run into an account issue, billing question, or technical problem. Claude doesn't offer phone or live chat support, but there is a real working way to reach a human on the product support team if you need one. Let's walk through exactly how it works. Step 1. Log into your Claude AI account. If you can't log in at all, don't worry, you can still get help even without access. Step 2. Click your initials or your name in the lower left corner of the screen and select Get Help from the menu that appears. Step 3. This opens the support messenger where you'll first chat with Finn, Anthropic's AI support bot. Finn can search help resources and answer a lot of common questions right away. Step 4. If Finn can't resolve your issue, click Send us a message to escalate further. Depending on the issue you select, you may be prompted for a few more details before your request moves forward. Step 5. If your issue needs deeper investigation, Finn will pass it along to the product support team, and someone will follow up with you directly through email. Step 6. If you're locked out of your account and can't log in at all, go straight to Support Claude.com instead of Claude AI. Click the message icon in the lower right corner, start a conversation, and select the option for login issues to get help without needing to sign in. Step 7. If you're on a team or enterprise plan, know that access can work a little differently. Primary owners and owners can designate specific support contacts within the organization, meaning not everyone automatically gets a direct line to human support. So check with your account admin if you're unsure. Here's a pro tip: before reaching out, check status Claude.com first. If you're running into errors or slow responses, it might already be a known, widespread issue Anthropic is actively fixing, which can save you the step of submitting a ticket. So that's exactly how to contact Claude AI support in 2026. If this helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more AI tool tutorials, and let me know in the comments, what issue are you trying to get help with?